Tired of messing with code every time you want to add a simple tracking pixel to your WordPress site? Let's ditch the coding chaos and get Google Tag Manager set up on your WordPress website in just a few simple steps. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type GTM for WP, that's GTM for WP. Find the plugin called GTM for WP Google Tag Manager for WordPress by Thomas Geiger and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin. Now, on the left-hand menu, hover over Settings and click on Google Tag Manager. You'll need your Google Tag Manager ID for this next step. Head over to your Google Tag Manager account and copy your container ID. It usually looks like GTM followed by random characters. Paste this ID into the Google Tag Manager ID field in the plugin settings. Next, scroll down until you see Container Code Placement. You want to select the option for codeless injection. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Tag Manager to your WordPress site. Now you can start adding tags without touching any code.